What if you could get paid to enjoy your favorite songs? With platforms like B-Wave, you can earn over $5 per song while streaming music on Spotify, YouTube, or Apple Music. Accessible worldwide, this beginner-friendly opportunity is perfect for anyone looking to make extra income. Follow these steps to start earning now. First, visit wavework.com through your browser. Tap the profile icon, select Create Account, and register using your email. Verify your email with the app, set a strong password, and create a 6-digit withdrawal password for secure payouts. Once done, claim your $12 SigNup bonus by clicking the gift icon on your profile. To start earning, go to the music promotion section on the homepage. Choose a task from platforms like YouTube or Spotify to complete the task by opening the link, liking and saving the song, and uploading a screenshot as proof. Each completed task adds earnings to your account, and you can make up to $100 per day by upgrading to a higher plan. Maximize your income by exploring other options like QA tasks or Gosser. Answer simple questions for quick earnings or write blogs and scripts for up to $100 per task. Use tools like ChatGPT to streamline your work but personalize it for better results. You can also earn $6 per referral by inviting friends to the platform. Withdraw your earnings securely using your withdrawal password. Whether you're using a mobile or desktop, the process is simple and beginner-friendly. Don't wait, start earning today and turn your free time into cash.